Hey everybody, it is me, Audrey, and it's my birthday month and packages are coming early. So my birthday is June 8th. I'll be 54 and I got myself a few things for my birthday and I want to share them with you. So as you saw, the packages came in the mail. Actually, was it day before yesterday? And I just had to share them with you guys because you know how much I love handbags and I collect purses, and there have been two that I've been wanting, one more recently, the other one for a very long time, but it has been so hard to find one of them on the resale market, and I'll show you that one last. But the first one, so I'll give you a hint. The first one is a sandwich that has 0 calories. It is the beautiful Kate Spade sandwich bag. Actually, it's called the Glam Bag. And look at it. It is so beautiful. Yes, you will not gain any calories, but you will definitely look very fashionable with this Kate Spade Glam Bag. I love it because of the details. This has the little kind of glittery detailing on it, but the back of it is just suede leather. So it is all leather. All of the detailing is leather. The tomatoes, everything is leather. So this is just such an artisan crafty bag to me. Everything is so soft. The lettuce is, I love how they folded the lettuce and sewed it in. Everything is just so cute. The details is unbelievable. And this sandwich is jam-packed with everything. I absolutely love it. It even has a little pickle with the toothpick. I love that detailing with the Kate Spade logo on the toothpick there. It is branded on the back. It has the sandwich shop here, the Kate Spade Market and Deli, quality since 1993. 1993 is the year Kate Spade founded her company. That's also the year that I graduated from college. So yeah, it comes with an adjustable strap, which I absolutely love. So cute. And you can unhook it as well, but why you would want to, I don't know. And it has a front zip pocket. The front zip pocket is pretty flat. You could put your phone in here. That would fit quite well. And I love how it's wrapped in foil with the foil pinned down, just too adorable and cute. I love details like this. And then on the back side, you have another opening. It comes with the dust bag and all of the little packaging. It has a little recessed or encaved area there. It also has a slip pocket on this side, so you can fit quite a bit in there, which I'll show you in a little bit. But it is absolutely adorable. I love it. Let me show you what it looks like on the split screen. It is just too cute. I just thought I'd get on here and share this with you, but I love it. It rests very well. It has a flat bottom here, so it will stand up on its own. And you can unhook it, like I say, and take these off. But why you would want to, I don't know, unless you just wanted to carry it like as a little clutch. I guess you could. A little sandwich clutch. So let me take this off. And there you have it. Have my little sandwich. I just love it. I'm just a kid at heart, and this is so cute. I love the details that Kate Spade puts into her novelty bags. And as you know, I do have a collection of Kate Spade novelty bags, which I'll probably share and do an update of all of my pieces a little bit later, because I do have one more coming that is on the way. So I'll share that a little bit later, and I'll probably just do the whole collection when I share the next one that's on the way. All right, let's see what fits in this bag. And I'm filming with my phone, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my old iPhone, and that just slides right down in there. And my current phone is not much thicker with the case on than this is, so I could definitely fit my phone there. That's on the front side. And then on the back side, let's see what we can fit in here. So this is the side that has a little cutout. I usually carry like this little kind of size wallet, so that will fit right in there quite nicely. And if you want it, you could just put your cards in there if you don't want to have like a little card case in there. Forgot to take that out. All right, so that can go in there. My lipstick can go next to it. I can put my keys in there as well, in the little cutout there. I have a pen that can also go in there. It will fit in there. And I have another card case just for purposes of showing you if you wanted to fit another card case. This I have my eye drops and my chapstick, but that could fit in there as well. And then close it up with no problem. So yeah, it holds quite a bit and it's very, very nice. I love it. The Kate Spade Glam Witch bag was originally sold on the Kate Spade New York website along with a smaller half sandwich version of it. I think it was originally $498, but it was sold out. So I looked on the resale market and found one for $185, which was more than half off. What a deal. And it was in its original packaging, you know, all the manufacturer packaging in the original box and everything. So I got the new experience as though I actually purchased it from the Kate Spade website, which I really, really liked. As you can see, it was all wrapped very, very nicely to the point where I was like, this is like ultimately protected. There was foam on everything. So I was really super pleased with this seller and highly recommend this seller. So I'll make sure I leave all of the information for this seller in the description box below. But as you can see, it came very well packaged, and I'll go ahead and speed it up at this point. Super, super great deal on that Glam Witch bag. All right, on to the next one. I'll give you a hint. The next bag has something in common with the Kate Spade bag because Kate Spade resided in New York, and a lot of her inspiration comes from the city of New York, and so does this bag right here. And this bag is none other than the Get Out of Town tote by Henry Bendel. I have been wanting this tote for a while because I have the red and black Henry Bendel tote, which is the About Town tote, and these came out at the same time. I believe it was 2018 or so, right before Henry Bendel closed their doors, their iconic doors. They were selling these. Back then, they were like, I think like $200 and something on the site, but then everybody was trying to get their bags and they were buying them, and then on the resale market, they were quadrupling the prices of these bags. And so then after a while, you just couldn't find it at all. And if you did find them, they were like $1,000, which was absolutely ridiculous. Was not going to pay that. But I found this one on the resale market. Guys, I had to snatch it up. It has the like kind of transparent windows with the iconic yellow cab with Henry Bendel on the side with the checkerboard pattern. Just so New York. I love it. And it opens with the zipper, and it has the checkerboard kind of little lining here on the zipper. I have it stuffed with a towel right now, but it's an open bag. It has the zip pocket here with the iconic Henry Bendel stripes on the inside and their little bow. And as you can see, the little window right there. But this one is a used bag, but whoever had it kept it in really good condition with very minimal wear. No feet on the bottom, just the iconic stripes but I love, love, love this bag as well. And this is just a great like work bag, summer tote, however you want it. It's just a really good everyday bag. And I get so much use out of my other one. And now I have completed the collection of the Henry Bendel totes that I wanted. But that is it, guys. That is all I have gotten so far, but I'll be sharing more birthday gifts and unboxings with you as they come in. I love you guys, and remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because he loves us so much. I love you too. I'll see you back next time.